Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a frilled cuff. So for this pattern you're just going to need two measurements, the width of your sleeve and then your chosen length of your cuff. So to get started we're going to draw a straight line down and across your page and then mark in 1 on the line intersection. So from 1 we're going to measure down the chosen length of your cuff. I went with 10 centimeters, but this all depends on you and your design. And then just mark this new point as 2. So draw a straight line out from 2 using a ruler. So going back to 1, you're going to measure across the chosen width of your cuff. I went with 23 centimeters, but again, this all depends on your design. So at this new point, you're going to mark in 3. So from 3, you're going to draw a straight line down to meet that line that you've drawn out from 2. And now you're going to have a finished rectangle. So now we're actually going to divide that rectangle into 8 pieces using a ruler. And then you're going to actually cut that rectangle out from your sheet. So once you've cut it out, we're going to begin cutting up the divide lines, but we're going to do this by trying not to completely cut them off. But if you accidentally do, don't worry about it because you can still work with them. So now that it's all cut out, we're going to start opening these pieces out to form a circle. So I like to use blue tack to hold them in place, but you can use tape or whatever works best for you. So this process can actually take a few minutes just simply because you need to work it in a way to make sure you get the most circular shape as possible. So once they're in place, then we're going to trace around the outside using your ruler. So now we're going to go in with the curved ruler and we're going to start to create that complete circle form. So this can be a little tricky as you need to try and get it as even as possible and as round as possible. So I had to actually go back a few times to reshape the lines as some of them came out way too far. But just take your time and you'll get there. So now once that's done, you can remove all your pieces and you should be left with something that looks like a donut. So go in then with your curved ruler and just shape that center circle a little bit more. So now you can add your seam allowance and then cut out your pattern. I didn't actually add seam allowance for this, but you can kind of see what your pattern will look like when it's cut out. So don't forget to mark in your information and then you'll be good to go. So I really hope you found this little quick tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit that like button as it really supports my channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see weekly videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.